Welcome to Spill the Tea. What could it be so yellow? I'm just like...
That is so yellow.
So we've given Chitrangada two...
See, I'm a food and nutrition. Yes, I know the shakal of that fruit, but I don't know the name of this fruit. Beauty is painful.
It is painful.
See, this really works, okay? Half a karela, 1 beetroot, 5 amlas. Every morning, first thing as you wake up, juice it and drink it. So I don't like to use too much of face wash and all that. So I use oil, like very light oil based kind of cleanse and all that.
Bombay is a place that adopts people, right?
Yeah.
Are you now a Bombay girl?
See, I love Bombay. I love the people here. I think वो दिल्ली निकलता नहीं है, you know.
निकलना भी नहीं चाहिए.
I think in the beginning I didn't like the male attention at all. I remember in Connaught Place there used to be this Gandhi ashram where they had khadi kurtas. All my college, 70-80% of the time, I was only in khadi kurtas and jeans.
I believe you're working with Salman Khan, and what's that like?
You have to glorify people who have living interesting lives, not looking beautiful.
Do you have friends, close friends from Bollywood?
Not really, no. Gulzar Saab is my first director. But then Gulzar Saab ne wo audition kahin dekha. And then he sort of was wanting to do a music video जो वो खुद direct करना चाह रहे थे. So he cast me in that. I happened to produce a film called Surma in 2018. People do think that, oh, so now an actress wants to be a producer. Oh, now she's gonna tell us who gets cast or how it's done. I come from the north and I know what a male gaze can do to a woman. And I saw how girls dressed up here. Just the whole body language is so uninhibited. You know, they walk different. I think feminism is also kind of misunderstood. We don't want to be men.
Yeah.
I'm very happy being with women. Either you get busy living or you get busy dying.
Hi Chitrangada, welcome to Spill the Tea, and it's so lovely to have you.
Thank you so much.
And आप just हमको बता रहे थे before we started shooting कि आप tea नहीं coffee prefer करती. Is that true?
That is true.
Are you
Actually, no. I think to be specific, सवेरे की चाय बहुत ज़रूरी है. In the morning, उसके बाद it's only coffee.
Only coffee. And how do you take your chai?
Oh, I'm very particular. I'm a Virgo, so I'm
Oh my God,
painful.
Yes. I know this. I know many Virgos, and they are such perfectionists.
They are painful. So चाय के अंदर थोड़ी सी काली मिर्च, अदरक, उबाल के मतलब एक है process बहुत लंबा.
ज़्यादा उबालना,
Oh my
कम
God.
उबालना.
Yeah, of course there's tea. I don't know how you're doing your tea.
मैं actually chai नहीं पीती, ironically.
But you spill others' tea.
But that's because Gen Z term. Obviously had a lot of people on a hot seat. A lot of gorgeous women like you on the hot seat. But somehow for this one, people have been going mental. People have been going mad waiting for Chitrangada. सब लोग जिसको काम नहीं भी है, वो यहाँ रुके हैं. कोई पीछे से देख रहा है, कोई वहाँ पीछे से देख रहा है, पर देख रहे हैं लोग. So all the Desi boys, make some noise.
For the boys.
For the boys.
No, but listen, there's so many
also.
girls. My God.
Yeah, and we have gorgeous girls in our office, and the boys don't match up. In fact, another boy that has been really waiting for you is our president, Amit Sopti. He has pushed his meetings to actually take a picture with you. वो आए नहीं है because he's very shy. वो इतने shy है कि वो आ नहीं रहे हैं. But at some point,
but he missed his meeting.
He missed his meeting.
So he better be here now.
He came back from Delhi sooner just so he could be here for this shoot. And this is the truth. His wife can be watching this.
Mr. Sopti, thank you so much for changing your flight. I hope to meet you very soon.
Wow,
right after this.
He's going to have a heart attack after this. Okay, tell me something, Chitrangada. I know you've heard this, right? Ki aap hot ho, you look great. You know this, and I think you know this since you were a young girl, perhaps. Does it get exhausting being so good looking? Like, does it come with its bad things also? Do you think it's easier being good looking? Do you get your way easily? Or do you think uska ek downside bhi hai ki log treat you in a certain way, maybe not take you seriously? I don't know.
Okay, I don't know how serious this conversation can get.
It can. Go for it.
You know, in the beginning, like when you're not aware of how you look, because I went to an all-girls school and then to an all-girls college. My mother made sure of that. But you know, I think in the beginning I didn't like the male attention at all. Because also because you're growing up, you're 13, 14, you don't understand it,
Yeah.
um, and you don't know why, because you don't think you're this hot or like beautiful or attractive, or maybe those were different times. I suppose I wasn't so self-aware at
Yeah.
that point. And we were in the army cantonments, so it's a different kind of atmosphere also. But I just didn't, I don't know, I used to kind of shrink. So to quite an extent, I became a bit introverted because of that. And I had an elder brother who was very protective. So I think that just, मतलब अगर आप सड़क पे चल रहे हैं, he'd tell me कि
इधर चल.
yeah, idhar chalo. He was a bit like that with me. I don't know, for whatever reason. Of course, protective. So I think growing up, it wasn't something that I saw as oh, this is my, I can bunao this.
Correct.
Let's use the fact that I got the looks and I'm going to
Correct.
get.
Did you use it after you grew up though?
I don't know. What's funny is you won't believe this, but I used to dress down a lot. And even when I was in college and we were in the hostel, so we had to bus around a lot, of course. So in the beginning, it was Delhi from small cantonments, Delhi is a bigger city, of course, not the safest,
Oh,
sadly,
yes.
even today.
Yes, even today.
So we didn't have the best experiences in buses. So I remember, in Connaught Place, there used to be this Gandhi ashram where they had khadi kurtas. All my college, all 3 years almost, I think 70-80% of the time, I was only in khadi kurtas and jeans.
Wow.
I did not, people are like, oh, you're in college, you're dressing up. I think I used to just like dress down all the time.
That look actually really looks good on you. I think you know that. I think a lot of people would agree. After I watched Hazaro Khwaishein, I started to wear saris and do the whole kajal thing.
Really?
So I went through a whole phase.
I'm sure you look
where-
great.
I did actually.
Yeah.
I went to college like that and it was amazing. And I used to do little jhumka and even try hair like that. And that time I didn't cut my hair. So it was very difficult to get this look in,
I
get
that.
So yeah,
Now
so
that
I used to
have
try
bangs.
doing that and emulate you. So it was fabulous. But tell me something then, because I know people speak about your army background all the time. But what I'm interested in knowing is how does it change you as a person? Because I can't get my daughter to shift to the next building because it uproots your life, right? And she's
Okay.
like, do what you want, I will not move. And you can't argue. Today with an 11-year-old, you can't argue. वो हम थे, माँ बाप की सुनते थे. अब हम वो generation है जो parents की भी सुनते हैं और बच्चों की
थप्पड़ भी
भी.
लगते थे.
बहुत लगते थे और
My
उसका
mother
कोई
was
guilt
very
नहीं था.
free with her,
हाँ,
आते
हाँ.
जाते.
आते जा. Sometimes just
kitchen में क्या कर रहे हो? Padak. Like, but I wasn't next to the child.
sometimes it's just like to
Anyway.
keep you in check वाला था.
So yeah, how I think, because I'll tell you, if you are around people who are living the same life, it's a normal thing.
Right.
हर कोई जा रहा है, हर किसी का ट्रांसफर हो रहा है. So even when we were as kids, जो भी ग्रुप था, जो भी अच्छा हाँ, my father's getting posted there. Oh damn, उनकी posting आ गई है, 6 महीने में we are going. So it was almost like, oh, my kitchen is packed up. Why don't we start eating in your house? So it was just
normal, so it
was
never
normal
felt
because
like,
everybody lived that life. So I think किसी ने सोचा ही नहीं. It was
कि ऐसे
always
है.
yeah.
How is, after all these years, do you now think Bombay is a place that adopts people, right? Are
Yeah.
you now a Bombay girl in your head, or are you still your heart is somewhere else?
I think I don't know. I love Bombay. Okay. I love the people here, and I think I've never felt this safe anywhere.
Agreed.
This is the, the
Agreed.
safest city. But do I feel like I'm a Bombay girl? I don't know still. I think वो दिल्ली निकलता नहीं है,
नहीं. निकलना भी नहीं चाहिए.
निकलता भी नहीं है. And I think more than Delhi, I'm a small town girl. I think more than anything else, it's probably Bareilly, Mau and Meerut, and these are the places wherever my father got posted. I think I'm a small town girl more than even a Delhi girl. Yeah.
That's amazing, because a lot of people, I think now people have become comfortable accepting that they are from a small town. Back बहुत साल पहले, there was always this kind of एक टैबू होता था कि मैं बॉम्बे दिल्ली से नहीं हूँ. For a lot of people, not you maybe, but बहुत लोगों को ऐसे लगता था. Cut to today, where we are in an era where tier 2, tier 3 smaller cities are shining.
Yeah.
The best success stories, the most
yes.
amazing stories are coming from there. And I think we're living in such a different time in that
Yeah.
sense. What's your
No,
take
you're
on
right.
that?
Even in our industry, best writers come from there, best singers or probably musicians. They all come from smaller towns. क्योंकि इतना उनके पास समय है to do, give the time and not get corrupted. Just growing up itself. Like अगर आप किसी बड़े like in a bigger city, even a 13, 14-year-old is far smarter, has so many more options, distractions. I don't know whether they're options or distractions. But when you're in a small town, कुछ करने के लिए है ही नहीं. आप कहाँ जाओगे?
Right.
How many times will you go back to that same shop and hang out?
Right.
Like I remember when we were in Meerut for the longest time, only place was to go to the club. So you वहाँ पे जाके आप क्या करोगे? Swimming करोगे या फिर कोई sport खेलोगे?
Right.
And Wednesdays को movie मिलेगी. So it was like a different time.
Right.
So yeah,
I think it's good opportunity for personal growth. Maybe that's why who you are today.
I think it's a great thing if kids can grow up in smaller towns. Is
Right.
what I think.
Is that
time.
something you use in your craft? By the way, I saw Raat Akeliye, the Bansal Murders. Fabulous.
Like-
Loved the movie. Loved your role in it. And I loved your role in it for a very specific reason. So when it started, pehle thoda lagta hai, oh, single woman. And me being a single mom, I'm like, oh, hard relate. Then it moves on to इसी ने किया होगा because इस पे शक हो रहा है मुझे. Then थोड़ा movie आगे जाता है like नहीं यार लग तो नहीं रहा है. So it just goes through so many. At the same time, you love the character. You like sometimes hate the character. Like, how do you do those kind of layers when you act? Because you're one of the few actors who have always been bringing it on screen. That layering. Like, you're not. क्योंकि हम बचपन में हमको होता था ये गुड है ये बैड है ये हीरो है ये विलन है बहुत क्लियर है मेरे दिमाग में मैं उसको देख भी ऐसे रही हूँ बट योर काइंड ऑफ रोल्स वर नेवर लाइक दैट सो हाउ व्हाट इज योर प्रोसेस द क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस
See, I think it also has to do with the writing. जैसा लिखा गया है. But more than that, if you play every character with certain vulnerability, whether you're good or bad, and the fact is nobody's bad all the time.
Yeah.
And nobody's good all the time. Even a bad person will probably see his mother and tear up at some point.
Yeah.
So yes, that also has to be written in the character, but at the same time I think you can play it vulnerably. You don't have to posture it like in the way. So that's what I feel. Even when I'm doing something like this woman, for example, my character in Rataki.
Yeah.
She is drunk or whatever, corrupted by power, by money, by the fact that she can actually buy people off and everything. But at the same time, she's also lost her son.
Yeah.
So that pain is always there in everything that she does. you
Yeah.
know. So,
And you can see it
yeah.
in the eyes. You can just see it
Yeah.
at all times. It's there the minute you
Yeah.
find out, or maybe I read into it more as a mother, but I always saw that in the eyes.
No,
in
but
the character.
you're right. I think that's what Honey, the director, also wanted, that even in your body language, किसी ने अपना अगर, somebody's lost her son, you just feel heavier even walking around.
It does.
So that heaviness of the sadness of her life had to be in her presence, basically.
Yeah, it was very, very well done. I really enjoyed that role. So congratulations on that. Because we're speaking of movies, what are I believe you're working with Salman Khan, and what's that like, and what are we going to expect next from you?
So yeah, there's a film which is about what happened in Galwan.
Galwan.
Yeah, and it was great working with him. He's a wonderful human being. In fact, I was just saying somewhere that instead of being human, being human also works, but also #being real. I think he's the most real, genuine person that I have met in this industry.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. There's not one fake moment in it that I've come across.
I've been hearing that a lot about him actually, because you've heard a mix of things about Salman Khan.
So much
but,
you hear about him.
yeah.
एक तो I think people just love to talk about him. So वो चाहे
Yes.
अच्छा हो बुरा हो, it's like sometimes good or bad, but he gets talked about or
Yeah.
he gets the headlines.
Tell me about anybody who's an actor. Obviously loves cinema, right? I've
Yes.
never seen an actor worth his or her salt not have information about cinema.
Yeah.
Or not really enjoy cinema. So what are your go-to movies, or what are your recommendations, especially in today's time, right? जहाँ बस TikTok भी 2x पे देख रहे हैं, ये Instagram 2x पे देख
It's
रहे
so
हैं,
true.
what are your recommendations of some of those movies that are life changing? Like for me, Sound of Music changed my life. For me,
Wow.
Matilda changed my life. There were so many of these movies that really
Changed your life, huh?
Yeah. So what are your such go-to movies that have been life changing for you?
You mean like affected me so much?
Really affected you? Yes.
Okay. Let me think about this. I don't know if they changed me, but I think what affected me and made me enjoy cinema or fall in love with cinema, those would be Shawshank Redemption.
Yes.
Which
Beautiful
was
movie.
almost like, I mean, even till today, if either you get busy living or you get busy dying, like lines like that. I mean,
Yes.
it's
Yes.
that one film is just full of these, quotes. So that definitely, and then I think Bridges of Madison County. Have you seen
Yeah, I
this?
haven't. I know there's a book and I haven't
There's
read
a
it.
tiny little book.
Yes.
If you see the film, it's one of the most beautiful. So it's Meryl Streep and Clint Eastwood.
Oh my God.
And
Best cast.
Yeah,
Yes.
and Clint Eastwood has directed the film as well. I think he won the best directors. No, Meryl Streep won the best actor for something like that. But it is such a beautiful film about what a woman feels, like her emotions, and to be and that directed and written. I mean, like the screenplay adaptation was done by Clint Eastwood as
Wow,
well.
of course.
So yeah, so there was that really made me fall in love with cinema. Umrao Jan, Muzaffar Ali's Umrao Jan
Yeah.
is my all-time favorite. Mirch Masala, Smita,
Yeah, that was a great movie.
Arth
Yes.
was the other one.
Yes.
So these are the kind of films that I think have really made me fall in love with cinema. So they really affected me in that sense.
Is that why you chose? I mean, what was your family's reaction? Is that why you chose to be an actor? And you said you were an introvert. So how did you
Yeah.
go from that to being an actor or wanting to be an actor?
I actually never wanted to, never thought of being an actor. क्योंकि कोई option नहीं था, we were in Delhi, I was studying food and nutrition, I thought I'd become a dietitian. Then my dad was in the army,
Yeah.
my brother started playing golf, which was very expensive for an army man, so I was like, now I can't even ask for money. So I got some modeling offer and I said, okay, this is good. So I got $2,500 or something like that for my first ad.
That was big back in the day.
It wasn't so bad. So so I started with that basically. तो करते करते फिर एक ऑडिशन मिला था, some Dream Flower Talc something. Didn't get the ad. I missed out on that. But then Gulzar साहब ने वो audition कहीं देखा. And then he sort of was wanting to do a music video जो वो खुद direct करना चाह रहे थे. And Meghna Gulzar was producing it. It was his own poetry.
Wow.
So it was called Sunset Point. So he cast me in that. And that's how I got my first, so to speak, like जो भी थोड़ा बहुत emoting थी. Actually, it's not a bad one, yeah. Gulzar Saab is my first director. Oh my God.
Amazing.
I just realized that. So yeah, because it wasn't a regular music video. It was this girl getting married, trying to run away from home and all. There's a little bit of a story to it. तो वो किया, फिर किसी ने वो देखा, and they called me. Swanand Kirkire was assisting Sudhir at that time.
Wow.
The
Fabulous
lyricist.
men, both of them. Yeah.
So he, you would know Swanand
I
as
love,
well.
yeah.
So he saw this, and then somebody called me for the audition for Hazaro because they were looking for Geeta Rao's character for a while. They were auditioning people in Delhi. The National School of Drama is there.
Yes, of course.
So he was there, yeah. तो वो देखा किसी ने म्यूजिक वीडियो तो कहा कि यार ये लड़की में कुछ है, आप इसको भी ट्राई कर लो. Because Sudhir was like, कोई मॉडल्स नहीं चाहिए, कोई म्यूजिक वीडियो कुछ नहीं चाहिए हमको, ऐसी लड़की, प्रॉपर थिएटर, we need like an actor.
Yes.
So then when they didn't get anyone, they were like, इसको ट्राई कर लेते. So yeah, then that's how literally. So I hadn't thought of being an actor. It wasn't on the list.
Wow, and what a fab job you did in that movie! Like, oh my God!
I love to take all the credit, but it's I think it's a lot of Sudhir.
Of course it is. Of course it is him, but can't take the credit away from what you did. Wo bhi being so young and doing this for the first time, like amazing. But tell me, because we're talking about him, do people actually make friends in the industry? Do you have friends, close friends from Bollywood?
Not really, no. I mean, yes, I mean, it's from the industry, but not really actors.
Hmm.
Yes, I do have. But if you're referring to actors as your best
Actors or
friends,
yeah, anyone.
not really. No, otherwise, yes, of course.
Is it, why does that happen? I hear that quite often. Is it because you feel like you're constantly competing in the same space, perhaps? Is that why? Or
Uh, yeah, to some extent,
Hmm.
yes. But I think everyone's so busy. It is, it's like a 24/7 job. It's not like whether you're shooting or you're not shooting. It's just irrespective of that, you're working all the time.
right,
It's,
that's true.
it's busier than swiping your card and going and doing a job and coming out. You know, it's busier than that. Because you're
100%.
networking or you're always at something.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think it's probably everyone's so preoccupied and there's such a you know, race
Yeah, it
to
gets difficult
it's
to.
difficult to keep up
Yeah.
and keep in touch. Yeah.
Do you have a 3 a.m. friend? Anyone you can call?
Oh yes, of course I do. I have few. Yes.
Great, good to
Yes,
know.
yes.
Tell me something, because again, we are speaking about this and it's a softer topic. Are you a spiritual person? Are you a religious person? And who do you turn to in tough times? Or what do you turn to in tough times?
I think I'm not religious. I think I'm spiritual. Yeah. I mean, there is something up there. There's good energy. There's karma. There's energy.
Do you practice any daily sadhanas or a meditation, something you believe
बहुत
in?
try किया meditation. I tried so many times. I go into this. I will now start meditating. It's like one of those I'm a
Things
Virgo.
ki,
So
yeah, yeah.
all my
Of course
lists
you
will
write
have
it.
one such. Oh God! But I just can't sit because at the same time I'm a Virgo. I have freaking 20 things going on in my head. I'll worry about every little thing. कि ये cup, even if this cup is not
ऐसे
सीधा,
ये मैं ठीक बैठी हूँ?
the painting behind you should be सीधा. I've seen it's all good and it's in line.
Oh, perfect. I'm so
That's
glad.
my problem. So how can I meditate? But I would love to. I would love to do some such thing. But I think do good and be good, and you know that's about
That's
it.
enough.
Help as many people as you can. Start charity around you. I think that's enough.
Do you do any kind of charity? Is that a
I mean,
cause close to
charity-
heart for you?
Charity meaning like, you know, people who work for you, who are around you to help them, their families, their children
Yeah.
to study and things like that. I do, of course I do.
That's amazing. You know, you spoke about something before this. What people, I think, seldom understand is the fact that, you know, सब बोलेंगे हाँ वो तो पतली हॉट है, वो एक्टर है. Of course, उसके पास पैसे है. But what people don't understand is that you come to office 9 to 5 or चलो 9 to 8 भी आए, but you can go to that gym every day. You can have a routine. As an actor, you're doing 3 appearances and then a podcast perhaps. You're acting the next day, then you're in London, you're in Bareilly, you've come back. You're constantly traveling.
Yeah.
It's madness.
It's madness.
And then how do you stay? Actually, I think as an actor, it's more difficult to stay fit because where do you build a routine for yourself?
It is so true, you know, you're saying this because if you take one flight back and forth, it just kind of kills 4 days, right? I was at, I think, one point in last few months, like, you know, when you have a lot of work coming, and I think I did about 16 flights in
Wow.
that 1 month. And that just, it's crazy, you know, because it just, everything spins off. And then how do you stay fit? How does your skin look good? What do you do? Like, how much can you, and you don't eat at the right time.
Yeah.
So it does get hectic, but then again, this is my Karam Bhumi, everything, you know, this is going to pay my bills. So I think every actor works extremely hard.
Yeah.
And as time goes by, as you grow older, you have to work harder and harder at it.
True.
So it is a constant thing. It's not that, oh, just to look hot, you know, it's just constant all the time. It's your skin, your hair, oh my God, pigmentation started, or this, every single thing.
Yeah.
Even if you don't want to do it, you have to do it.
Yeah.
You know,
I mean,
so,
that's a
yeah.
primary thing. It's like
Absolutely.
me coming to work and saying, I won't talk
People
to people.
finish their shifts, and I've also done that.
Yeah.
You finish your shift and you get to the gym at night. It's not like, you know, the hotel, you make sure that they
Yeah.
try and keep the gym open for you after you finish work. You know, you want to go and work out. So everybody does this.
Yeah, it's hectic.
It is.
But because, I mean, you are very beautiful. So you have to spill the tea at least on your beauty tips. And don't give me basic beauty tips. Give me something
Don't
we
give me
haven't
lame
heard
shit.
before. Yeah, in a nicer way, because my producer doesn't
I get
appreciate
that.
me swearing.
Okay.
But yeah.
We'll beep this one out. Okay, let me think.
Yeah.
क्या,
दिक्कत नहीं.
what do you want to know? Like my skincare, what do you want to know?
Skincare, daily, any nuskas, things you swear by, because देखो मेरे जिंदगी के 20 साल तो ट्रायल एंड एरर में निकल चुके हैं.
You got great skin, by the way,
Thank you.
and hair. I think they're probably better than mine, honestly.
No, now you're just being kind, but
I'm
इसका
trying
really
to grow
please
my
काट
hair.
लेना. But no, that is really really generous of you. But no, क्या करते हैं लोग? अब क्या करते हो अपने लिए? How do you look like this? Because I'm seeing you really for the audience. I'm seeing you up close and personal, and you are so gorgeous. Because before you came in, हमने ये भी discuss किया. सिर्फ personally देखते हैं
Who
इतनी
said
सुंदर
what
है कि
about?
नहीं?
Oh,
No, literally like personally भी देखते हैं. कैमरा पे
Okay.
ठीक है, but personally देखते हैं इतनी सुंदर है कि यार
Oh,
बहुत
God.
ज्यादा है. So कुछ तो
Thank
कर रहे हो, थोड़ा सा share कर लो.
Okay. I've been going on saying this. I'll just have to give them my vegetable juice recipe again. See, this really works, okay? Because I have stuck to this for the last 2.5 years. Half a karela, 1 beetroot, 5 amlas. Every morning, first thing as you wake up, juice it. And don't juice it like that, cold press
Cold
it. So
press
that there's like
juice,
a
yeah.
lot of pulp in it and everything. And drink it.
Wow.
And make sure you're in the house. Please don't step out for the next 2 hours because you'll really run to the loo. Because it really cleanses your system. But just in the beginning, once your body gets used to it, it's not going to be so bad.
Right.
But it is probably the best thing for your skin. Like there's a friend of mine who used to smoke a lot, and she like had skin. She started this, and I can tell you that her skin. Like I met her after a while, and her skin actually got much better.
Wow. Going to try
also,
this.
you don't fall sick. Like I used to keep falling sick. My throat and ear infection every time I go to Delhi.
Yeah.
All that
Same.
went away.
Yeah.
And it's a very recurring thing. Kitna antibiotics can you have?
No, you can't.
It just like I don't fall like it's touch wood, but I haven't fallen
wood,
sick like that, like I used to earlier. So yeah, so I really believe that facials and creams and all that, they don't do anything for you. You have to eat clean no matter what. You have to have that discipline. Juicing, vegetable juicing, eating on time, and it's a process. It's a lifestyle. It takes.
It's difficult.
Yeah. That's what it is.
difficult, yeah.
Beauty is painful.
It is painful.
It's so I think that is probably what works the best. Beyond that, there's microneedling, of course, which everybody's talking about, and I think it works. Because I was also getting some pigmentation. I think even that kind of got better with this microneedling RF thing.
Right.
you know.
Yes, I've
Yeah.
heard,
So
yeah.
that has really, I think, helped my pigmentation that I was getting. So yeah, I think it's mostly this, but clean eating. उससे ज़्यादा कुछ important है.
नहीं है.
Yeah.
Inside out first.
Inside out apps, and don't waste your money on facials and expensive this and that. What do I give you? How, like, do you want me to tell
Do you do
products?
Desi nuskas? Do you do
Okay.
anything at home?
Desi nuskas, no. So I don't like to use too much of face wash and all that. So I use oil, like very light oil based kind of
Cleanse makeup.
cleanse and all that. And then just keep it very simple. So there's vitamin C serum. There is retinol serum. I don't like creams at all because I feel like that feels very heavy
Yeah.
on the face. So these are my two basic things. And then I also, sunscreen is very important.
Right.
There's
I
a
hear that all the
brand
time. I
called
hate
Murad,
sunscreen.
which is very,
Oh,
very
Murad,
good.
I know. Yeah, it's good.
I love their sunscreen, so I do that. Other than that, what I would like to tell people who are watching this is please don't go into products which are very, how do you say, like sometimes you go in for retinol, which is 1%. It is very, very strong. So what you're doing is you're actually losing the top layers and making it even more sensitive to even sunlight, to normal light in your house. So don't like overdo this.
Right.
You have to really keep it very, very simple. Because if you're doing vitamin C and retinol together, it is a very, very
You're just
strong
taking layers
combination.
off,
You're
yes.
just taking layers
Yeah.
off, so you will wrinkle faster, you will get pigmentation easier. All of this, starts happening. So keep it less. Less is enough, you don't have
Less
to be...
is more with skincare.
Yeah,
is
less,
basically
less,
what
less
Chitrangada
is definitely
saying.
more. So you have to... Other than that, I think a lot of rice masks is that what I do. These
Sheet
Korean,
masks?
sheet
Yeah.
masks, like a good brand you should pick up, and those are very good. Do it like almost every day is also okay.
Yeah.
And especially when I do a lot of makeup, and if I'm working for a while, every day.
Yeah, I do that too. I
Yeah.
do sheet masks
You do
almost
that,
every
right?
day. I do.
Yes.
I swear by sheet
But
masks.
it really works.
It does.
It really
I
works.
feel like,
Yeah.
just like you said, like fitness, like everything, it's
Yeah.
consistency, discipline,
Consistency.
and just keep coming back, because
Yeah.
life will throw you off, but you
Yeah.
come back again.
Yeah.
So I think for everything,
Yeah.
that's something that matters. But on the flip side, I've seen a lot of young people today, and I'm talking
Yeah.
20 to
I
23-year-olds.
I
They're
know.
getting lip fillers,
Oh,
skin
God.
fillers. And I'm like, Ruk, I'm not against the idea. As I grow older, I will explore whatever looks
Yeah,
like.
I mean,
I have
you
no
must
problem.
and you should.
Yeah.
Why not? I mean, if you
Yeah.
have, it's almost like it's like medicine. If people are inventing or searching, you
Why not?
must use it. Why not?
100%.
Of course.
Yeah. But what's your take on this getting like, because I think the beauty industry, it's just around so much. Like you said rightly, when I was growing up, था ही नहीं, चैनल ही नहीं थे, यूट्यूब नहीं था, इंस्टाग्राम नहीं था, सो द नीड, कभी सोचा ही नहीं कि मैं ऐसी लग रही हूँ. So I didn't have the need to look
It
a
is
certain
so
way.
true.
But now, what do you like? What do you do about that, or what are your thoughts on that, or on the
younger
the
people.
really young people trying to just get everything now in their 20s?
No, you're right. I think where was this? This is really interesting quote that I read somewhere, that what the beauty magazines actually do is make you feel ugly. Somewhere I read this.
Very true.
Can't remember where, but so you don't realize what's getting sold to you is that you are not good enough, you are not whatever, beautiful enough, perfect enough, and then they just want you to spend money. So they're just feeding your insecurities constantly. I mean, how can a 20-year-old have better skin than what a 20-year-old can possibly have? I mean, just like, please stop. And
Beautiful,
I think I'm so glad that you are talking about this, and I feel more and more I suppose media, or like basically platforms, need to start talking about how this is not important.
Yeah.
This is not going to get you far.
Yeah.
The fact that you have lips like this one or that one is not going to get you far.
Yeah.
And this conversation needs to constantly keep happening.
Yeah.
You have to glorify people who have living interesting lives, not looking beautiful.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
We need to glorify that. Oh, this one did such and such thing. Maybe she trekked. Maybe she did this. I don't know. Like maybe spent time in Africa, or volunteered here or there. If we just start glorifying these lives, I think that might make some difference. But I mean, it's tough to beat the beauty industry and what they do with it. But really, I keep talking about this amongst friends and whatever. It's so sad what we glorify, and that's what you run after,
Correct.
That's
It's just
the
so
problem.
one-dimensional. I have no problem. Like, some Gen Z kids here taught me, this kid here taught me looks maxing, and I put it up as my post-it, my manifestation thing.
maxing.
Did you know? Do you know about looks
I have no
maxing?
idea about that.
So looks maxing basically, and she then for the next 3 days kept sending me ChatGPT screenshots, which we'll talk about later. But it basically means how you're living, being the best version of yourself. So nails are always done, hair's always blown
that's
out. You're like,
exhausting.
I'm like, this is great, but how can I do this every day? So I love the concept, because it is to do with what I understand of it is, chalo, self-love hai, be the best version of yourself. But to show up like this every single day, I don't know if I can do that. So that's called looks maxing, if I'm saying it correctly for the Gen Z audience. So I learned something new very recently. So we were just talking about how you got into acting, right? And a very interesting story. But before that, you mentioned that your brother was very protective of you. Now, how did he take to being such a protective big brother and then going to this big bad wolf of an industry almost, right?
Oh, wow. Yeah. I mean, he's, I don't think he was not restricting. I don't think he was ever restricting me. He was just looking out for me.
Right.
So I think that was the thought. And also because kid sister, maybe he, in certain circles, got to know such and such guy's fallen for her, this one's fallen for her.
Yeah.
So I think, in the army circle, you kind of know what's happening in the club at that time. So I think it came from that. When I went, it was like, they didn't expect. So my nickname is Tina. They're like, Tina, are you really going to be a film star? So it was just like, because this was this quiet little, girl who really didn't want much attention. And then, you go and do something like this. So I think he was He was happy for me, but yeah, surprised.
Oh, nice. So no story there कि नहीं ये नहीं कर
No,
सकती
not at
तुम.
all. Not at all.
That's
मतलब वैसा
nice.
नहीं है.
That's nice. This somehow, a lot of women look up to you as an actor, as somebody, because you're not somebody who's just known to be an actor. You're also somebody people know is intelligent. She speaks about intelligent things. She knows about world affairs. So a lot of people I know, women especially, who look up to you. What is that one, say, a quiet feminist moment that you can think of where you drew your boundary without announcing, without it being too much, or just a moment where you felt like, I need to set this correctly? Because, without knowing, casual sexism aati jati rehti hai, and people with a good heart and well-meaningly also happen to do this. So has that ever happened to you, and how have you tackled it? Mere sath ye kal hi hua, so I actually want
Like
to also
how?
ask.
How did it happen to you?
Arey, I don't know if I should be saying this.
Achha, you can't. Okay.
Yeah, maybe I shouldn't be saying it,
Okay.
but ये हुआ है मेरे साथ. And then वो अभी भी हो ही रहा था, in the sense कपड़े somebody like, I don't want the conversation to be about something else. ये dress ऊपर करो. I'm like, यार वो उसका shape है, and I wanted to wear this pink dress, and I'm wearing the pink dress.
Yeah.
So now this is again all well-meaning things, right?
Of course.
Nobody's saying it to offend you. They're looking out for you in that sense.
Exactly.
But where does it stop? Like, men को तो नहीं इतना कोई बोलेगा कि तू दो बटन चढ़ा बंद कर.
See, no, I come from the north, and I know what a male gaze can do to a woman. Like I said, I've changed even the way I would dress. Not just me, I think a lot of
Yeah.
women would. So you know what? This is interesting. So when I came to Bombay the first time, and I saw how girls dressed up here, just the whole body language is so uninhibited.
Yeah.
They walk different. And if you go to Delhi and places like that, they walk different.
Yeah.
It's a very subtle this thing, but I saw the difference, which what I realized was the reason was that this is a safer city. You take the same girl from Bombay, and if you make her stay in a place like Delhi or UP or somewhere, she will change. It will change. So I just feel sometimes that, when your mothers are being, being careful, or they tell you to, come back home early or something, I don't think they're always being restrictive.
Right.
They are looking out for you because they understand what the world is. And sometimes you have to, when in Rome, it's literally that.
Correct.
You have to be cognizant of where you are. So, even when you go to Dubai or something, some places is written,
You
be
have to.
respectful
Correct.
to the land and that. So every country, every society has its own norms. I understand we should push the envelope. I know we should, fight for what is, sometimes it's very over restricting, and it's wrong. I agree with you. But एक वो जो थोड़ा basic, how do you say, I won't even call it limits, but keeping in mind what the society is that we live in, respectfully, to understand, Like I remember when I used to go to my nani's house, because this was this farm that, they had, we had to dress up a certain way. I wouldn't wear the same clothes that I was wearing to a club. I
Of
wouldn't
course,
wear it
of
because I
course.
know my nani wouldn't be okay
Like
with
it, yeah.
So it's also sometimes out of respect for the tradition that or the culture that you have to do. So I feel a lot of times some of these feeling or मतलब जो भी आप कहो उसको थोड़ा सा misplaced होता है for girls. And it just by wearing shorter clothes or deeper necklines, I don't think, see, you should do it as an expression of who you are, and I'm all for it. But it shouldn't be a point of rebellion.
Right.
The intention should be correct, is
Right.
all I feel.
Correct.
Sometimes the intention is wrong of wearing that. If this is who you think you are, this is what's making you feel beautiful, this is an expression of your, sexuality, so to speak, please go ahead. And it's lovely to see that. It's so nice to see a woman who's so comfortable with herself. But if you're doing it with an intention of rebellion, I really don't know if you're making a point there,
Right.
That's what I have understood, having stayed in different places or traveled, even abroad, I feel a lot of people think all of America dresses up the same way
Yeah.
and walk around in
Yeah.
bikinis. They don't. If you go down south, it's
very conservative,
it's
actually.
very conservative.
Yeah.
So they are very cognizant of what their, towns are.
Right.
like. So
Right.
yeah.
Interesting. That's a very interesting and a very honest perspective, I must say,
Yeah,
because
it's just honest.
yeah, because most people would today are like, "You go, girl. You do what you
This
want. Be a queen."
I'm not.
So, so
I'm the wrong person. Like I said, I'm a bit of a traditionalist.
yeah,
No, it's not. I feel it's very misplaced,
Mhm.
and I think a lot of girls go ahead and try and do that
Yeah.
and be that.
Yeah.
Now that is not how you're being modern or Western. I think it's slightly regressive thinking, to be honest. I don't think that's progressive thinking.
Right. So, because you said you're a traditionalist, I believe in gender roles. I do. I do look at the man as being the nurture, the protector, the provider. I'm not saying pay all my bills, but
Yeah.
that is the role. And I feel like the woman is the nurturer and the woman is the softer side. So, if for dinner a man is paying, I think that's the right thing to do. I don't need you to pay for
But I
dinner.
can if I had
But
to.
yeah, and I
Yeah.
had to, and I'll balance it out somewhere else, right?
Of
It's
course.
just the thought that you're doing this that it makes me feel small. It makes me feel cute. It makes me feel like
Yeah.
like you're taking care of
Taking
me.
care.
I just
Provider.
want, I just want to feel that way.
Yeah.
That's all I want to feel. So what's your take on that? Because in this era of again, feminism, that also gets lost a lot.
I think feminism is also kind of misunderstood. We don't want to be men.
Yeah.
We're very happy being women, and just respect us being women. I think
Yeah,
that's it.
that's it.
That's what feminism is.
Right.
Equal opportunity, of course. That's the other thing. I was just yesterday. There were some friends, and we got into a bit of a. Not a heated conversation, a conversation that, I was just trying to say that, intelligence is not gender specific.
It's not.
Yeah, a lot of times talent is not gender specific. So you can't possibly think that अच्छा आदमी है तो कर लेगा,
कर लेगा, yeah.
ये बेटर करेगा, अच्छा आप हमें बताएंगे कि कैसे होता है ये, अच्छा अभी अभी एक्ट्रेस हमें समझाएगी कैसे, so there is a bit of that comes. So equal opportunity. I think that's what is more important than trying to be a man. And I talk like a man, I abuse like a man. I do
Correct.
this.
That's
I don't want to be that at
yeah.
all. I'm sorry. I'm very happy being. I'm very happy being a woman.
Right.
And feminine is far more beautiful. And yeah,
It is. It
Yeah.
is Shakti. But you just said that अब actress हमें बताएगी. ये हुआ है आपके साथ?
Yes.
And then how did you react? How did you put the person in her place?
No,
or
I
how
didn't
did
have
you
to
react?
put anybody in. I'll tell you. I mean, this. I happened to produce a film called Surma in 2018. It was a biopic on a hockey player.
Oh yes, I've seen it. Yeah.
Yeah. Diljit and
Yes,
Taapsee
yes,
were in
yes.
it.
Of course.
So
I've seen
I hadn't produced anything before. I had never done any such thing. So I got to know of this story and met this person through a friend, and I'm like, damn, we got to make a film about him. Insane story of a comeback, like you can't imagine. And so like, what do we do? So I sat and wrote like a 20-pager basic thing so that we can make a pitch, made a visual presentation, just like at home with a
Yeah,
guy,
yeah.
and started pitching. Sony came on board and they loved the idea. They were co-producers. I said, okay, let's do this. And then when slowly the process starts is when you realize that people do think that, oh, so now an actress wants to be a producer. Oh, now she's going to tell us who gets cast or how it's done. So in the beginning, I was so hurt and I used to feel so like, but I was talking to my brother and he said that, Tina, you have to pay your dues. Did you
True.
think you'll just walk in and people be like, everything you say is right? It's not going to happen. And it is true. It was my own bias where I thought it was about being a woman to quite an extent.
Good
If
point.
you look at it that way, it's not that every time you can hold this flag and say, "Arey," but it's just pay your dues. You have, and he just said it very Ram se aise. Tina, what did you think? You have to pay your dues.
Yeah.
You have to be. And it's stuck in my head, and he's right. Because if there are that many actresses who become producers and do a good job of it, the next lot that will come will not get questioned like that. So it is just that. So मुझको ऐसा लगता है कि sometimes we probably overplay it in our heads because there's so much chatter about it everywhere, and we want to hide behind it.
Yes.
So I think maybe it's just as you keep proving yourself. Nobody will question you. Like today, a corporate woman, you know, becoming the CEO is not questioned
Now
anymore.
it's not anymore.
Because those women have done it. And I'm sure back then they were questioned, like, oh, do you really think you're going to be the CEO of this? It's just one of those things,
Yeah,
you know.
you can't
it's
be a leader.
Yeah, so it's just we are in that and we have to keep proving ourselves. And yeah, we shouldn't, no self-pity there.
Correct.
Shouldn't be.
That's amazing. You mentioned Surma. So what are we looking at in the future for you? What's it looking like? I know 2025 was fabulous for you.
Yeah.
But now what do we expect?
So as an actor, I am doing this Battle of Galwan.
Yeah.
And there's a conversation for something else. But other than that, I think this will be the year when I'll finally be able to produce my next, which is again a biopic.
Wow.
So things are kind of falling in place, and we have a director on board. So that's looking. I've been trying to do it for a while because we got stuck in COVID, and it's just been, you know, tough to sort of put projects together which are mid-budget
Very
films.
nice.
So
You're very Humans of Bombay in that sense then. You go after stories. Your first Surma was a biopic. The second one,
my God,
I don't know what it is. So,
it's so
you
true.
align very well with
I'm the
our
right
philosophy.
guest.
You are the right guest. And we'll call you back again whenever that new movie is out. So we can hear more about that.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do a healthy shot
Yeah, I see that.
test for you because apparently you eat healthy, like you mentioned, you eat clean. So we think you'll be able to guess the ingredients.
Okay.
मेरे पास ये लाना भी मत because I don't eat healthy.
Okay.
And then if one of these is something that
Do
you
I
do
get
consume,
something for guessing this?
क्या चाहिए आपको जो आप बोलें
I'll decide.
ठीक है
Okay.
done go.
Let me try. This is like watermelon.
It looks very watermelon-y, must say.
It is watermelon and grapefruit. Is it? It's fresh water. Oh, it's just, why is it khatta? ये खराब हो गया?
हमने चित्रंगदा को खराब watermelon
Because
juice पिलाया है.
It's green apple.
Aha.
It is.
Green
That's
apple,
what the
not
tang
bad.
was.
The tangy is green apple.
Got it.
Yeah. Not bad.
Not bad.
Is that a good combination though? Watermelon and
मतलब या
green
तो
apple?
watermelon खराब हो गया या फिर आपने green apple. You were smart enough
Or
to
this is a
quickly
good
say-
save.
Yeah, it is a good save. Okay. All right, this one then.
This looks very amla like. I don't know. Is it? हमको guest को punish नहीं करना है वैसे but. Oh, you did say करेला. Is it करेला?
Oh my God. ये oxidized करेला है. कितना
ये
देर
fresh
पहले
नहीं
ये
है.
juice
कितना देर
निकाला
पहले
था?
ये juice निकला वाकई में.
But this is bitter as hell.
Is करेला not bitter all the time?
It is, but isn't that supposed to be green? Yeah, it's not karela, na? Well,
अच्छा मैंने तो आपको
this
बोला था
आंवला?
आंवला है.
oh, okay. That's why it's oxidized because it's vitamin C. Now this is oxidized.
So we've given Chitrangada two.
See, I'm a food and
expired
nutrition.
drinks.
Yes, I'm food and nutrition. So basically, when iron oxidizes, it goes kala. So आपने मुझे oxidized आंवला.
दो चीज दो ये oxidized आंवला
All
पुराना
right, this should be fresh. Is this fresh?
This looks fresh.
ये fruit, I know the shakal of that fruit, but I don't know the name of this fruit.
किस टाइप का है शक्ल डिस्क्राइब कर दो.
एक second. I don't know what this is. Give me a hint.
Hint.
It's no. it's
बीटरूट
not
तो
beetroot.
बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा है. It's
Listen,
beetroot?
guys. No, it's not. This is not beetroot. I have beetroot every morning. This is not beetroot.
This is not beetroot. they देख के शक्ल से
Sorry?
नहीं है. It doesn't look like any of it. है?
आंवला है.
बीटरूट बहुत कम होगा.
I want to know
She's there. Where's the producer is there. You can take it up with her later.
Juice shops This is not. I don't think this is ABC.
Okay, ठीक है. Last
Anyway.
वाला. We'll end the torture at the end one.
ये आंवला definitely है. This is
चलो.
आंवला for
At least
sure.
ये oxidized आंवला नहीं है.
नहीं, this is good.
This is good.
Actually, you know what they've done? They put dry amla in it, I think, which is why it's got this nice.
So that's a good
yeah,
thing then.
It's a
okay.
good thing. Okay.
What could it be so yellow? I'm just like,
That is so yellow. Oh God.
when have I said appropriate things? But yeah.
Okay, no laughing, please. इसमें है is this lemongrass and sugarcane?
Ginger, lemon, honey.
Ginger. Oh, there's a lot of honey. That's why it's so sweet.
मीठा कर दिया.
I thought sugarcane है. But anyway,
See, thank you for being such a sport and very, very badly chosen shots, I must say. I'm not having now. I already know
mix everything.
everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what? We should mix all of it and give her.
Give it to her.
I don't voluntarily consume such healthy food. I refuse to do it. And yes.
It's the grind.
So I think that was about it, Chitrangada. Thank you so much. I had a great time. I don't know if you had a great time. I had a ball talking to you. It was like somebody said, it was like talking to like a friend. I had fun.
Yeah. No, same here. I think we just had a great. I like it when it just rolls. Conversations shouldn't be like, you know,
I know, right?
Stop and start and awkward. This is nice.
Yes. So thank you so much for coming.
Thank you. This was so
and
interesting.
we'll see you again.
Yes,
Yes.
absolutely.
Thanks.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.